like them. Jamming on the beat. Sucks me out and doing like them.
Guess where I've been, guys? I've been to the tree. I've been to the Dollar Tree. Yeah, it was kind of expensive the time I got out of there, but most of it was like food products and stuff, so. Okay. Now, I got these two, and these are the gem stickers, but they're a little bit different than the other ones I've seen, because I've been wanting to dress up my jug, and since I wash it in the sink, so I thought, well, you know, I don't immerse it or anything, so I thought, these might work, and if not, I'll just go over it with, if it don't hold that way, I would just go over it with resin. Not a big deal. And guys, I know you're going to think I'm crazy. I'm not sure I'm not. But I bought hair color from the Dollar Tree. We're going to see if it's any good. Because see, my hair is gray here. And I really can't pull it back, because it just shows something terrible. So I thought, well, because that's the only place I really get it. I get ring around the head just like my mom used to. So I thought, well, when I get done, I'm going to dye my hair. And I will let you know if I like it or if I don't. I'll take one for the team. My hair turns green though, I'll march my little fancy butt right in Dollar Tree, or right in Dollar General. Okay, then Dan has been asking for slime, and I keep telling him that he can't have it. He has to wait till he comes back without his sisters, because they'll eat it. So he said, okay, so you'll get me some? And I said, yeah, I'll get you some, buddy. I've been telling him, I gotta get the recipe from Aunt Serena, and he's like, okay. Aunt Serena knows how to make it. And you just thought that was fantastic, that Aunt Serena knew how to make slime. So I just went ahead and I bought him some slime, and I'll just put it up till he stays with me again. But I did get him green and orange. I don't know what these little things are. I don't know what they are. Let's see. Where's my glasses? I know they're right here. I don't know what these little things are. They were in the top. I don't know what they are. Rainbow sherbet. I don't know. I don't know what they're for. But I have to admit, I like slime too. And I find it really good for my hands. And here's that. That's rainbow sherbet. But I find it very good to work with my hands, to exercise my hands where, you know, I'm arthritic. Oh, yay. Why didn't y'all tell me my bra strap was hanging down? Jeez, just when I thought we were buds. Why you got to do these things to me? And then I asked, this one is sprinkle donut. Let's open it and see what it looks like. I have way too much fun with these toys, I know. I ordered Oki a new dust mop since Dan broke her old one. He broke it because it was Oki's. I said, now don't do that. I said, don't break that, man. I said, Oki loves that thing. And he looks at me, and he just crack. He only acts like that when he's tired. But boy, when he's tired, gee whiz. All right. This was a dumb idea because I can't get this one open. I think I got it. I think I got it now. Oh, this one has, I just broke my fingernail. This one has, hold on a minute. Gotta save the nail. I'll put it on in a minute. This one has sprinkles. So that must just go inside there. I bet it's to help keep it from getting, you know how sometimes they get too moist and they get runny. I bet that, now, what the heck? Where is that? There it is. Sorry, people. I'm a mess today. This is sprinkled donut. This one's hard. Look, this one's hard. It's not like the other one. They do after time get this way, but this one's kind of hard. So I don't think this needs it yet, but that's what. And then you put the sprinkles in it, and it's what did I say it was? Sprinkled donut. Sprinkled donut. That's what it was. He calls it science when he does that stuff. When we play like that, it's science. And then I got this. It's called Monkey Gunk Hair Gel. And I got this because the other day when I had my hair up in a ponytail, you know, while I was cleaning around the house, and that don't smell bad at all. But I thought, well, I might slick my hair back. You know, when I put it in a ponytail. But it might slip. Oh no. What do y'all think? It's gunk alright. Look. But I thought it might help slip back, you know, the I had some wax around here, but I didn't know what happened. So I thought, well, I'll get this and try it. And we'll see what happens. Monkey Gunk. If nothing else, it's got a cool name. Okay. Oops, that's not the right one. Oh, that's because these are different videos. Sorry. I do these things sometimes. And then I got this. And they only had it in like 3 different colors. And what it is it's a nightlight. Okay. It's a nightlight, but oh, there's 2 of them. Oh, they're not what I thought they were. I thought they were where you plugged them in. But let's see if we can get it to go. Pull this out. Oops. Pull that out. And we'll turn it on. You see what it looks like? You see, I thought it was a nightlight, and I thought, well, I can put some room spray right on that, which I can do anyway. But that's cute. Yeah, that's cute. So there's those. I always put the little plastic thing back in them so that it doesn't waste the battery. Because all it does is impede the connection. That way you don't have a... Okay, then I got these. I thought these were interesting, and I put my trash right back in there. That was stupid. But these, I can put them on my ledge in my kitchen, and the kids will never know they're there. But I got strawberry, sunflower. Because I'm thinking since the kids are here that I might plant a small garden. Won't be a big one. Oh, and I also got tomato. Oops, this is tomato. Yeah. And it just basically is, you know, when you open them up. Here, I'll do it with tomato because I'll probably just do it. But you have this, you know, and you put water in it and it expands. And these are the organic seeds that go in there, and it just basically starts your plant before, so you can run it from seed, and that's the idea. So I will do those later this evening. Then I'm trying to make sure I don't forget nothing. Then I got 4 of these. And these are solar, which I'm not. If you can see it, it's only got like 1 light in there, and I probably would have liked them better had they had 2, but I'm going to put it beside my house, so that'll be fine. You know, I'm just going to put them in my flower beds. And the one side, I don't get any light at all, so they won't light up over there anyway. But I thought they were cute. And I got a couple of gnomes that I was going to stick with them. And I thought they were cute. Can get this back in there. I guess it doesn't matter because you're not really working off the battery, are you? I guess it really doesn't matter. But I did get 2 of each, the red and the green. Let's see. Is that one going to work? No, not yet. It's probably because it's been in the bag. So, there's those. Nope. There's those. Oh, that's for the flower lights. We'll stick that over there. And yes, that's a small haul, but I will put in what the hair dye, how it came out. Because I'm going to do that after a bit. I got a friend coming, and then after she comes, I'm going to dye it. And we'll see how well it covers, if it makes, you know, how hard it is on my hair, the whole shot. Because I'll tell you, I've just decided I'm letting it grow back out because I am tired of cutting it every 2 weeks. So there we go. I'm just letting it grow back out and whatever. So anyway, there was something else I wanted. Oh, this is what I wanted to mention. Dollar Tree's getting tricky on us, girls. They no longer have their, what was it, the $5 aisle or whatever it was. I don't remember what they called it. But now they're sticking that stuff right in next to the other stuff. So you have to watch your price. And I do have a video excerpt or a picture. I'm not sure what I have. If it's a picture, I'll put it right in here. And if it's a video, I'll put the video behind this one. But anyway, yeah, I thought that was pretty tricky, pretty sneaky. Now that was the new one. I haven't been to the old one. But I thought, you know, that's just not right. You made your money off of selling them for $1. Okay, we agreed to the quarter upgrade. And we didn't even have a problem that you were selling stuff a little bit higher. But as long as you had them all separated. They're not separated anymore. So be very, very careful about that. I saw a lot of different places in the store where somebody realized, oh, that's not $1.25. And they just kind of stuck it on the shelf somewhere. So be very, very careful because they did take that aisle out. And they are now just sticking the stuff right next to the other stuff. So keep an eye out. And by the way, please like and subscribe. Old people need love too. And the channel's doing good, so come on back. We'd love to have you. Got lots of stuff planned. Bye.